Hello, and welcome to this baconbits video. Today, we're going to talk about a script that runs that will detect the bitness of your Windows system, and then based on the bitness, will download a different file from the Bacon repo and run that file. So let's have a look at the file itself before we get to running it. I just have this example updater PowerShell, and let's go in and have a look. Okay, so the very first thing I'm doing right here on line 7, let's see if I can maybe just increase that a little bit for readability, is I'm detecting, is the operating system 64-bit? If it is, then I'm going to set the name of a script I'll download, and this is a link from repository files. So that would be as if going over here and copying a link, but on the whatever file that I want to run there. If it's not a 64-bit operating system, it will run this block. You see I put everything in try finally inside of PowerShell, and I'll get back to that one in a different bacon bit. For right now I just want to focus on how do you download a file depending on your requirements. So for this requirement, if it's 64-bit OS, we'll download one file, and if it's a 32-bit OS, we'll download a different file. We'll call those files different things upon download, but you see that we're using the same variable to reference the file. This is a little bit of sanity check right here. Line 36 just says process succeeded, true or false. What is the process updater? And that would be the name of either the 64-bit or 32-bit script that we're going to run. And then the salt file ID or the bacon file ID would be right here. So print those out, and then we have a little output that says downloading the example updater script. We're going to use PowerShell's invoke expression command. And here we'll do a little bit of fun salt side trickery. First thing we'll do is use salt call and the copy library get file function, copy.getFile, and we're going to copy that file from the Bacon server and copy it to temp bacon process updater. Now notice both the 32 and 64-bit paths both use the process updater function, but each path either calls it 64-bit or 32. So we can run this line regardless of the bitness of the operating system, because the bitness is stored as a value, or at least the script is stored as a function of the bitness inside of this variable. So line 45, as you see, copies down from the salt master, the bacon server, and then line 48 just says we're now going to run the process. Line 49 actually runs the process. So again, invoke expression command, and now we're going to run the command of the PowerShell that got copied down from line 45. temp bacon process updater. And let's look at the logs for that job. And there we go. I ran it on a Demo 10 computer. And first thing it tells me is we're going to run the 64-bit version, so we know that this is a 64-bit operating system. It then says which file we're pulling down, and the last thing we're going to do is run the file, and this one just gives me some system information back about the operating system. Windows 10, build 19043. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video.